So veterans ask me this question all the time. Can you actually build a home using your VA loan? And the short answer is yes. And most veterans have no idea this option even exists. So today we're going to break down exactly how a VA construction loan works and how veterans can build their own home using their VA benefit. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how a VA construction loan works, step by step, who qualifies, what veterans should know before even beginning the process, and everything you're going to need to know in between. My name is Marshall Sparkman. I am a certified mortgage advisor and VA loan specialist. I have spent many years helping my fellow veterans and their military families understand how to use their VA loan benefits to build wealth through real estate. And today, we're going to break down the VA construction loan in simple terms. And one quick thing I want veterans to know, I help veterans VA construction loans all across the country. So whether you're building in the great state of Tennessee where I live, or Texas, or Florida, or anywhere else, this information applies to you. So let's start off. What is a VA construction loan? So a VA construction loan allows eligible veterans to build a custom home with zero down payment. Instead of buying an existing home, this allows you to finance the construction, the lot, and your permanent mortgage all in one. So the VA actually allows two different types of construction loans, but the one that veterans most use today is called the VA one-time close construction loan. That's what we're going to be talking about. That means the lot loan, the construction loan, and the permanent mortgage are all combined into one single loan closing. This actually saves you a bunch of time, a bunch of money. You don't have to go through underwriting 3 different times. We don't have to get 2 or 3 different appraisals. It just saves you a lot of money and headache over the traditional option. So here is the simplified process. And by the way, this is very similar no matter what state you're building in. I help veterans regularly navigate the VA construction loan all across the country, right? So first step, you're gonna get pre-approved with me. We gotta make sure that you're good for the money and you're gonna be comfortable with the monthly payment and comfortable with the budget. That's the most important. Second, we're going to help you select a builder that not only meets the VA guidelines, but is also willing to submit a package to the lender to get them approved on our approved builder list, okay? Third, the builder provides plans and construction specifics, what we call plans and specs, and ultimately a contract between you and the builder. Fourth, only after the above steps were completed, then you make the offer on the lot of your choice. If you already own the land, you don't have to worry about this step. And fifth, once you have all your ducks in a row, you have your builder approved, you have your plans and specs hammered out, you have a contract with the builder, and you have the land identified, then we begin the loan process. So what we do in the loan process is as soon as we have everything together, I'm going to hand you over to my construction manager who will tee up the loan process for you. We typically ask for 45 days from the time you have your initial consult with the construction manager up until closing. So 45 days, remember that. The first step in the actual loan process, once we start the loan process, is the property has to go through an appraisal, and they call it a subject to home value. So the appraiser's looking at the value once the construction is completed, what's your home going to be worth. So once the loan closes, again, it takes about 45 days, then the builder is given the first draw and the construction is expected to begin immediately. Now, funds are released in stages as the home is being built, and each stage requires an inspection by a third party to ensure that requirements are being met, and this only protects not only the lender, but it protects you as the veteran. When construction is finished, the loan simply converts to a permanent VA mortgage. So we'll modify the loan, we'll issue back any funds that were unused and credit them back to you before at the loan modification point. So yes, you heard that right. In most cases, veterans don't have to make any payments during the construction process. We actually roll in 12 months of interest into the construction cost. As long as everything appraises, you'll be able to come out. You can literally come to the table with no money out of pocket and not have to spend any money during the construction process. It's a no-brainer, guys. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure you like and subscribe so the algorithm helps me reach more veterans. I post weekly videos helping veterans understand how to use their VA benefits. But back to the content. There are a few important things that veterans should understand before starting this process. First, not every lender offers VA construction loan. Most lenders don't offer them, and it's because they're very complex. It is very important to work with a lender who is experienced and competent in this process, not somebody that's just says, yes, I can do them, but somebody that actually knows how they work. Second, your builder must meet certain VA approval requirements. I'll help them through that. And third, the pre-approval process takes a little bit longer than it would if you're buying a normal existing home. That's because all the due diligence is done on the front end, and I've got to get the numbers together to make sure that everything's going to go smoothly. But for many veterans, this is an incredible opportunity to build the exact home you want without any money out of pocket, as long as it appraises. So VA construction loans are ideal for veterans who want to build a custom home, who already own their land, who are planning to buy land and build in the future, or if you just want to build in rural areas where new homes are limited, right? VA construction loans are one of the most powerful benefits available to veterans who want to build, right? So if you're a veteran thinking about building a home and want to explore using the VA construction loan, I'd be honored to help you. I'd be honored to help guide you through the process, talk through your budget, get your builder on board, and if your builder is not approved or doesn't want to go through the rigmarole that it takes, we've got a list of builders that are already certified with our company that I can help you with. So whether if you're building anywhere in the country, I want you to reach out. If you're 0 to 6 months out, I want you to go ahead and schedule a consultation with me now, the link below. If you're 6 months plus out, I want you to download my VA construction loan guide. That's going to answer about 95% of your questions. And then once you're ready, we can start the process. So veterans all across the country are reaching out to me after watching these videos, and I'm always happy to help answer questions. So again, I want you to please like and subscribe to help me reach more veterans so that we can spread the word about this incredible VA benefit. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping your dreams come true.